कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए फरीदाबाद से हम हमारी गाड़ी पहुंचाते हैं भोपाल की ओर। सलाम अलैकुम, शबा खैर, कैसी हो सुचि? भोपाल क्या बोलता है?
भोपाल
मालवे
कहता है सबका
मालवा की
स्वागत है।
ठंड है, नमस्कार कर रहा है। साथ
नमस्कार
में
जी।
खंबा खड़ी भी होता है, वहां पे राजस्थानी भी बहुत हैं। और भोपाल,
भोपाल कहता है कि हम दिल हैं, धड़कते रहते हैं,
क्या बात,
आइए और हमारी धड़कन में समा जाइए। भोपाल ये
क्या
कहता है।
बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। बहुत बहुत
सबसे
स्वागत।
पहले सपना जी, आप मुझे अलाउ करें तो मैं प्रणाम कहना चाहती हूँ दिगंबर सर को और रामानंद सर को। इतने बड़े लोगों के बीच में आप मुझे जगह दे रही हैं। मुझे लगता है मेरी जिंदगी स्वार्थ होना तो अभी से ही शुरू हो गई है, क्योंकि सक्सेस का तो मुझे पता नहीं क्या मिलेगी और क्या नहीं मिलेगी, लेकिन इस पोर्टल पे जब मैं आप जैसे लोगों के साथ बैठी हूँ तो मुझे लगता है जिंदगी में माँ बाप का आशीर्वाद लग गया शायद। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी।
बिल्कुल, ये आशीर्वाद ही है बड़ों का कि हमारे सिर पे सब ऐसे बड़ों का हाथ है, तो यूबीआई में कुछ हम कर पा रहे हैं साथ में। बहुत सही कहा। तो शुचि के बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ? अनकही सी शुचि, अनकही लिखने वाली शुचि, अनकही बातों में बहुत कुछ कह जाने वाली शुचि। शुचि से मेरा जुड़ाव आभासी दुनिया के थ्रू हुआ है। हम कभी पर्सनली भले ही नहीं मिले, लेकिन एक अलग सा एक कनेक्ट बैठा। मालवे की हैं, मैं भी उज्जैन की रहने वाली हूँ, तो शायद उस वजह से शुरुआत में हुआ होगा। बट और जो लेखनी है उसने और मन को जोड़ दिया। मुझे आज भी याद है, आपकी एक सीरीज में आप लिखती थी, चाय पे लिखती थी, बहुत प्यारा।
थैंक यू।
तो चाय है हाजिर आपके नाम पे।
थैंक यू।
चाय की चुस्की के साथ हम शुचि का वेलकम करते हैं। शुचि हमारे बीच हैं, और मैं खुद एक्सप्लेन करने की जगह मैं खुद शुचि से जानना चाहूंगी। शुचि क्या क्या करती रहती है? तुमने 4 पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करी है। रामानंद सर, आपको मतलब जान के खुशी होगी, हम जिससे बात कर रहे हैं ये कह रही है इसे कम आता है। She is postgraduate in 4 subjects.
I saw that. I saw that. My God.
I think Apple has also given some recognition. You have to tell us about all that. I will start with that.
To be very frank, when you are jack of all trades and master of none, you portray yourself that you're doing multifarious things. So yes, if I appear to be doing multifarious things, it's basically because I'm good at eventually nothing. So
No
I'm doing
way,
so
no
so
way.
many things.
You
Yeah.
are
So
just being humble. I know that for sure.
no. Okay. When I got married, actually, I was only a graduate,
Hmm.
but my husband was very supportive, and he's like that education should be continued and all that. So I did all my education thereafter from Bhopal. And yes, I am an MA in English, MA psychology, MEd, MPhil in English, and currently I am pursuing my PhD.
Oh my
So
goodness. So we'll have soon Dr.
so
Shuchi Shukla with us.
yeah, very soon actually.
Absolutely.
So that's how I am just doing, and uh, just accidentally writing stuff, and you people appreciate it, so I feel motivated. That's how I can say
You've been
my journey.
writing very well, and we've been reading your
Thank you.
writing so long. It's been, I think, an year or so. We have stayed connected more than a year. I think 1.5
Yeah,
years.
2 years almost.
2 years almost. Yeah, time ऐसे पता नहीं चलता है. So yeah, and so one thing which I really want to ask you, Chuchi,
Yeah.
how do you balance between the subjects which you are studying? What are the 4 post graduations which you have done? You tell us that.
Yeah, I've done in English. I've done MEd, MPhil, and MA psychology.
Yeah.
So these are these. Yeah,
Why?
balancing. Yeah,
Hmm?
balancing, as you say, it's just like more of exploring yourself. I think I did my graduation in science, but my heart was always in literature. So I always knew that since I was in class 3 and 4, I knew that I would write and I would read. I knew then onwards. Eventually turned towards literature, and Shakespeare is something I can never get over with. So somehow just delve deeper and deeper into English, but liked to explore. So did other stuff as well. After my B.Ed, I felt like doing M.Ed as well. So I did my M.Ed.
Hmm.
That's how I explored. But primarily a literature person, primarily interested in literature.
We were lucky.
Thank you. Thank you so much for saying so.
I want to ask you something. You say as you said, Shakespeare is somebody who inspired you, right?
Yeah,
Any
yeah.
character which is like very prominent, which is there in mind?
To be very frank, if I tell you, it'll be very naive to say that in my younger days I was inspired by Shakespeare. No, it was pretty late in my life. It was when I was in class 9 or so when I started reading Shakespeare. Before that, I was just doing just as दिगंबर सर ने कहा था. मेरे घर में मेरी मदर एंड फादर ने पढ़ाई का बहुत माहौल रखा था. मेरी मदर खुद AA हैं, गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हैं, और हमारे घर में बहुत किताबें हुआ करती थी. और जब मैं क्लास 1 में थी तब मेरे फादर चंदा मामा की इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी दोनों वर्जन्स मंगाते थे, और वो मुझसे कहा करते थे कि आप हिंदी पढ़िए और उसे इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट कीजिए. तो कहीं तब से ही शायद लिटरेचर का रुझान शुरू हो गया था, क्योंकि घर में बुक्स का बहुत माहौल था और पढ़ाई का माहौल था. मदर मेरी रिटायर्ड प्रिंसिपल हैं, तो आप समझ सकती हैं अगर आपके सर पे टीचर हो तो घर में क्या होता है.
मेरे से
तो मैं
ज्यादा
खुद ही हूँ.
मेरे घर में
तो
मेरी मदर खुद टीचर रही और आखिरी दम तक
हाँ, I know.
मतलब कुछ साल पहले रिटायर हुई हैं. सो वी स्टिल
I know.
हैव अ टीचर इन आवर हाउस.
बस ऐसे ही था. और ये भी कह सकते हैं आप कि शायद थोड़ा मैं लकी थी कि मुझे टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे मिले. तो व्हेन आई वाज इन 6th तभी से ही मुझे टीचर्स का गाइडेंस बहुत अच्छा मिला. मेरी हिंदी टीचर थी, दो आई वाज इन इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल, बट उन्होंने कहीं से कहीं मुझ में देखा कि मैं शायद हिंदी में भी कुछ कर सकती हूँ. मेरी मात्राएं शायद, या मेरी वर्तनी की शुद्धता, जो भी आप समझ लें उस उम्र में. और फिर उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया, तो मैं बहुत कम उम्र में हिंदी लिटरेचर भी पढ़ने लग गई. सिंस मेरी मदर MA हिंदी थी तो घर में बुक्स भी थी. समझ कुछ नहीं आता था लेकिन शौक बहुत था. तो जयशंकर प्रसाद और महादेवी वर्मा को मैं उस उम्र में पढ़ती थी जब इनके नाम भी लेना शायद हमें आता नहीं. लेकिन बस ऐसे ही. और फिर वो किताबों से कुछ एक रिश्ता सा बन गया और वो धीरे धीरे डेवलप होता गया. जब जहां जैसा मौका मिला उस तरह से मैंने पढ़ा. जब जहां जैसी किताबें मिली उसे पढ़ा. कभी ऐसा एक्चुअली सोचा नहीं कि यही पढ़ना है या यही सीखना है, बस पढ़ना है ऐसा लगता था. और वो जो एक धुन थी वो शायद आज तक इस उम्र तक कायम है. हाँ, शेक्सपियर से जब मेरी मुलाकात हुई तो मैंने कहा मेरे टीचर्स मुझे बहुत अच्छे मिले. तो उन्होंने शायद करिकुलम से या सिलेबस से बंधने की जगह दे ट्राई टू डेल्व, गिव मी डीपर इनसाइट्स इनटू हिम. And the moment I started reading him, then I felt like that there's more to him than we are just seeing in the book. And even now, I have published 2 papers on Shakespeare, thankfully, by the grace of God. And I'm still working on him. I feel that the more you read any literature for that matter, the more you read, you become more clear in your perspectives. Your understanding becomes finer and finer, and you become more tolerant and acceptable towards other people as well. So that's and Shakespeare is variety. So he's something who will give you all and everything you want in life. So somehow, so all his characters, to come back to your question, all his characters have been very influential. I'm purposefully very much in love with one of very negative characters, Shylock. I love him because I think he's the most reasonable character who was not given his due. So I feel too sympathetic towards him. Then I like all his women characters. I like Cordelia. I like Desdemona for her purity. I like Miranda for her naivety. I like Beatrice for her scathing tongue. I like Hero for her faithful love. I mean, so many, and everybody has some or the other quality. I like almost all of them.
So any of them coming out in a different form or different way in your any upcoming book, which is there in
book, though I think I'm not that mature enough to handle them. In my papers which I have dealt, in one paper I have proved that one of the characters created by Shakespeare was actually Shakespeare himself. So I could prove that. That is Prospero in The Tempest. So I proved that. And then I have done a comparative study of a character called Miranda with George Bernard Shaw.
Oh my
Arms in the Man, Rana Petkov. So a comparative study between Miranda and Rana Petkov and how they are related and how they are different. So
my
I don't
goodness.
know if I'll be able to write a full book, but I think I'll keep on doing these weird things where I'll try to form analogies and relationships and keep on exploring things which that dead Shakespeare would be cursing me, but I am doing to his work.
No, I'm sure so much knowledge which you have, it should come out
No.
on paper and it should be shared with others. I will personally would love to read what you have read and you have experienced and you have
Sure.
got in you. So we can also be inspired and we can also learn from your learnings and experiences.
Thank you.
That's
Thank you.
really amazing. I mean, I have always heard of you as a Hindi poetess, and a book which she has written, sir, is in Hindi. Ankai jo book hai, Hindi mein poetry hai. But I am really, really very glad to hear so much about Shakespeare from you. And this is really a very different side of Ruchi, which today we have unveiled. So let
That's
me.
my profession also, na? So I have no choice but to love him.
Yeah, and she's a teacher as well. So I think, and what's that thing about Apple? I think you got some felicitation from Apple, or what was that? If you can
Microsoft
share.
it was actually.
Okay.
I am a Microsoft certified educator. We are a global community. So in our school, we are a showcase school of Microsoft. So we lay a lot of stress on technology being blended with education rather than just imposed on it. So we are working in that, and the whole community at our school works for that. I sort of am interested in computers. They always attract me. I like doing stuff with technology, and I have fads with technology. I have this love for gadgets and computers, and so somehow I.
What is the field which you work in computer? It's such a vast field for us.
No, it's the thing which is Microsoft thing is Microsoft Certified Educator, where you have to pass certain examinations to prove that you can blend technology, the tools, the platforms in your education system, how to deliver your content through the use of technology. So building 21st century skills in the children and imparting them through technology is the domain I work in.
That's
so
amazing. That's amazing. Today, I think we all need to know more about it, and all the students need to know so much, and the teachers need to know so much, because with all this COVID all over and everybody going online through classes, people like me, I mean, we are handicapped when it comes to technology. I've somehow managed to manage the Zoom calls and stuff. I'm not a technology person, completely a novice in all this. So I think we need trainers like you, and who will be there.
No, I'm not trained. It's just that I'm interested and I get guidance.
You will get trained, and you will have that stature to train us. Someday we'll need help from you, and we'll be able to take it from you too.
Sure. Anytime.
Amazing. So let me just see whoever is watching us. All right, who else is there? Oh my God, there's so many. So Shalini is saying, what an inspiration, ma'am. Sarla ji is there. Rita ji is there. Rita ji is saying, Suchi बहुत ही अच्छा लिखती हैं. Suchi ma'am, Lalita is also listening to you.
Thank you.
And Mama is there. Kiran ji is there. Mama is just saying, wow, Suchi.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Kakar uncle is there. He's my uncle from Ujjain, and he is the reader for all of us. Beautiful person. He's saying, "अच्छा जी लगा आपको अच्छा लगा आप सब लोगों को देखकर." It's my first experience on Facebook Live. So he was asking me, how do I listen to you all? I said, you have to click this link, and a little bit technical savvy I have become now, so I could guide him. So we have all these people here. Khamma Khani Shuchi, Subhanallah. All right. Rita ji is there. I'll just come back down. Tanya Khare is saying, wonderful. Thank you so much, Tanya ji. Sunil Tahli Ramani is watching us. Shalini ji is still there with us. Thank you so much for being there throughout, Shalini. Rita Anji, thank you so much for being there. Superb work you're doing, Suchi ji. Suchi, that's especially for you, Rita ji is saying. Namrata is saying, do share the link, ma'am, for this Microsoft education. If anybody, if at all,
yes, I will.
Be able to learn So I think we better share it. If you want.
I'll share the website. There, all the info is there. And anybody who wishes to contact me through the channel UBI, I'm always there. No
Surely,
issues.
Namrata, you can reach out to me. I'll give you her number too.
Yeah, yeah.
With your
Sure,
permission.
sure. Yeah, yeah, of course.
All right. So Namrata is always interested in learning. So that's where I could take
And I
it.
like her write-ups also, whatever she writes, the small write-ups.
She's writing so well, and she's developing this particular
Yeah.
skill. And she was not a writer in the beginning, and she was like an amateur writer. She said, I can only read. I said, you start writing whatever you feel like. So then she started off, I think, with marathon around and with so many people
Yeah.
all over Facebook. When you read so many good and beautiful writers, you do get inspired, and she's really doing a very wonderful job. Rajni ji, thank you so much for joining us. So inspiring, she says. Ashlesh Singhai is joining you. Congratulations. So there was an issue, right? She was not a, I think, Akhilesh Singhai. Suchi,
Yeah.
this is for you especially.
Yeah,
Namrata
this is my
ji,
family actually.
so your family is there with you. That's so beautiful. Okay, coming to this rapid fire questions.
Oh,
Should I?
yeah,
Or-
yeah. No, I'm ready.
Asha, what do you think? I mean, as you say, when we become a writer, that's something different. When we become an author, it's some completely different feeling, right? What do you feel has changed when you became an author?
I think I've grown more humble, which definitely was not my personality and will not be my personality. I am supposed to be a bit harsh on tongue when my students and others are there. They're scared of my uh, things when I talk to them in class and all. But I think that when I became an author, actually, when I published myself and got connected to so many people who write so well, then it is a type of a mirror shown to you where you understand how much more you have to actually learn, how much more you have to actually imbibe from everybody all around. So when you actually become an author, then you realize that how much is lacking, how much more needs to be understood, how much more needs to be. When you were just writing and tits and bits and scribbling on odd pieces of paper here and there, then you don't judge yourself that very critically. But when you come out in market and when you are there with others who are the masters and who are so good at their craft, then you realize that, and it motivates you. If you take it positively, it motivates you and it makes you read more, write more, and be more. So I think that has definitely changed me. I would never feel proud of any writing. Earlier, I used to feel very good about myself if I'll write 6 lines and I felt it, I have written too good. But now I don't ever feel it. Even if somebody appreciates, I'm very humbly accepting it because I know I have a lot more to read and a lot more to understand in this world. So that changes you. That definitely changes you.
That's really good to hear. All right. So, what question should we put on to Shuchi for the would you rather activity?
Okay.
Or and if I don't know if you are comfortable along with this, we would also like to hear your poetry, Shuchi, from you. If you are okay.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. Whatever suits you. I'll do
Maybe we'll do this and then we go ahead to your poetry.
anything. Anything suits me.
Okay. So you said you like to read. Let me
Yeah,
come
I
to
do.
the question about reading.
Okay.
Would you rather be stuck alone? Would you rather be stuck alone without a book on a plane or a train?
Without a book,
Without a book.
uh, I'd be, I'd love to be stuck in a plane, not train,
Oh,
because I
why
love
so?
clouds. Clouds.
Oh,
I can live. I mean, sometimes when I was young, I used to think that let the plane be stagnant there itself, and I remain forever in clouds.
oh
So
man.
many of the people who know me, they know me that I keep on clicking images of clouds and I, like that. So if I have to be stuck without a book, a plane.
Better be a plane.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And okay, your favorite author? One name
Uh,
you want to take.
only one.
Only one.
It can be very difficult because contemporary cannot be compared with classics.
Yeah.
So when you go to classics, though, they are
Maybe
altogether
one in
different
classic
fields.
and one in contemporary. We give you that leeway.
Okay, ठीक है. So if I talk about English,
Hmm.
Shakespeare will never be replaced. Okay, as a writer, he will never be replaced. In Hindi, if I go for classics, I would love to take the name of Mahadevi Verma. I love the pathos she created. With such simple words, the kind of pathos she created, I did not have that understanding at that level when I was reading her, but now I understand that what gems I was reading when I was reading. So that I can say. Contemporary, I like a lot of people, ma'am. So it'll be really injustice taking one name. I mean, I have so many author friends. I like Arvind Parashar sir. I like Ratandeep sir. I like Manish Arora sir. I like Sandeep. I like Sudeep Nagarkar sir. I like so many. And in Hindi, I just love Divya Prakash Dubey sir. He's too good.
That's
He's too good.
amazing. तो चलिए आपकी कुछ तरन्नुम में या जैसे भी कुछ अच्छा सा सुनना चाहते हैं.
Actually, to be very frank, मुझे तुकबंदी अच्छी लगती. अच्छा लगता है जब राइम हो जाती हैं चीजें, लेकिन कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि वो जो थॉट है, अगर उसको राइम किया तो शायद उसकी आत्मा से कहीं ना कहीं कुछ कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो जाता है. ऐसा मुझे लगता है कई बार. तो जैसा आपने कई बार मुझे देखा भी है लिखते हुए, तो कई बार उसमें राइमिंग है और कई बार नहीं है. तो अभी कुछ थोड़े दिनों पहले कुछ एक लिखा है, वो सुना देती हूँ. थोड़ा सा डल है शायद, लेकिन दो चीजें लिखी हैं, कुछ थोड़ी सी रोमांटिक सी हैं और कुछ थोड़ी सी डल है, तो वो देखिए आपको कैसी लगती है. ये जो पहली है, इसका है नाम थोड़ी सी जिंदगी.
ओके.
इसका शायद आप रिलेट कर पाए कोविड-19 से, तो आपकी नजर है और सभी बड़े लोगों का यहाँ पर मैं फीडबैक चाहूंगी, क्योंकि आप सभी वर्तनी में अपनी महारत रखते हैं. तो अगर आप मुझे बताएंगे मेरा फीडबैक तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. थोड़ी सी जिंदगी. आज फिर जिंदगी से मुलाकात हो गई. कुछ हैरान, परेशान, कुछ पेशानियों में बल. पूछ बैठे हम, सुनो कहाँ हो आजकल. कुछ अकुलाहट, कुछ अवसाद से घिरी वो बोली. अपना ही पता नहीं आजकल क्या कहें. बेकदर, बेख्याल, बेखबर हो गए हैं हम. कभी किसी आंखों के सूने से डर में, तो कभी गलियारों के चीखते सन्नाटों में. वीरान पड़ी रौनकों या सुनसान पड़े चौबारों में. जख्मी, चोटिल पर अनवरत चलते कदमों में. सूखे होठों, भूखे बच्चों और तपती सड़कों में. दुआ पड़ती माओ या डरी सहमी पत्नी की पूजा में. नौकरी दुकान नहीं, जैसे जंग पर जाते चेहरों में. अपनों के ही अपनों पर लगाए अनजाने पहरों में. पिंजरों सी छटपटाहट और घुटती सी सांसों में. पता नहीं कहाँ हूं मैं आजकल. अगर तुम मिलो मुझे तो जरूर मुझसे मेरा मिलवा देना. क्यों? दिस इज थोड़ी सी जिंदगी. ये अभी थोड़ा बहुत रिसेंट में लिखा. जी थैंक यू सर.
मतलब जिंदगी का जो आज के समय की जो जिंदगी है उसका इतना प्यारा निचोड़, इतना सुंदर तरह से, इतनी तकलीफदायक जिंदगी को इतने प्यार से, इतने अच्छे से सुनाया है. बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत अंदाज, बहुत खूबसूरत अंदाज. और जो भी हमें सुन रहे हैं इस समय शुचि जी के बारे में और अगर पढ़ना चाहते हैं और जानना चाहते हैं, वेबसाइट पे उनका पर्सनल पेज है, यूबीआई की वेबसाइट पे आप जाइए. फीचर्ड ऑथर हैं शुचि जी, और उनकी बुक जो कि अनकही, जिसके बारे में मैंने बात की, उसका लिंक भी आपको वहीं मिल जाएगा. उनके बारे में और जानकारी मिलेगी. उनको और जानिए और सुनिए, और हमारे साथ शुचि जी जुड़ती रहेंगी मुझे लगता है, और अब ऐसे आगे कुछ कुछ मौके हम लाते रहेंगे कि हम और आपको सुन सकें. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. और कोई आपकी तरफ से आपको कोई चीज ऐसी, सिंस यू आर अ टीचर, and in this COVID, I think teachers have been through a lot as well. Whatever said and done, they were, it's technology handicap I can understand, because I really had a big handicap about technology. And when you learn technology, not only to use for your personal and social media purposes, but to impart knowledge, it has to be perfect. You're creating slideshows and all, which they were never doing. इतनी सारी टीचर्स जो आज के समय में इतना कुछ झेल रही हैं, मतलब उन टीचर्स के लिए या उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, उस पर्टिकुलर तबके के लिए एज अ टीचर कुछ कहना चाहोगी?
जो ये टाइम आया ना, ये किसी ने सोचा नहीं था, लेकिन जिंदगी ऐसे ही अनप्रेडिक्टेबल होती है, और जो लोग जिंदगी की अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी के लिए तैयार रहते हैं वो हर तरह से आगे बढ़ जाते हैं। तो ये तो जो समय आया है, डेफिनेटली, जैसे मैं थोड़ा सा टेक्नोलॉजी में उतना ज्यादा इनहिबिटेड नहीं थी, लेकिन बहुत से ऐसे लोग मेरे साथ हैं जो इनहिबिटेड भी थे, बट चेंज इज इनएविटेबल, लेना ही है चेंज तो। एंड शायद मुझे जो लगता है, जो मैंने कर पाया वो इस दौरान, वो ये था कि इसे एक बोझ की तरह नहीं लिया, इसे फोर्स्ड इम्पोजिशन की तरह नहीं लिया, इसे चैलेंज की तरह लिया कि देखिए हमसे कैसे नहीं होगा। और फिर जब आप अपने आप को चैलेंज कर देते हैं कि हमसे कैसे नहीं होगा, तो फिर रास्ते निकलते हैं
बिल्कुल।
और चीजें आसान होती जाती हैं। टीचर्स के लिए डिफिकल्ट इसलिए है मैम, बिकॉज we teachers, we deal with humans, we don't deal with technology. So it's a very difficult task to sit across a laptop and address those kids who you have been meeting on a daily basis. It's a difficult scenario. So to create that connect during an online session is a challenge for teachers, and I do respect that challenge, I do understand that. But at the same time, I also understand that what is, and there's no other way than to accept it and do whatever best can be done in that situation without compromising on your whatever you are good at. So I think that thought, if you keep in mind, you will be able to pull through. And teachers can do anything, ma'am, anything in this world.
The
Expect anything from them and they'll do it.
around in the world, frankly, when you're a teacher, you are so strong. You कहते हैं ना, इतने सारे बच्चों का भविष्य उनके हाथ में होता है. All of them, they build those futures. So who better than them?
They have to be, ma'am. They have to just be very cautious not to go wrong, because we are not dealing with machines, we are dealing with humans. We can't go wrong with them. So we have to update ourselves, and whatever it is, COVID or non-COVID, we have to upgrade. It is their life which is dependent on us. So we can't be little with them. We have to be.
So today we also want to salute our teachers. There are also many teachers we have who are authors. So all those books which we read and which we teachers impart knowledge from, I've been a teacher myself. So today I'm just remembering my teachers. Patel sir हुआ करते थे, हमें उन्होंने commerce पढ़ाया, accounts पढ़ाया. Fazal sir हुआ करते थे, उन्होंने हमें maths पढ़ाया. So these all teachers, I really want to say thank you so much for managing the show. All you teachers, thank you so much, Shuchi ji, for keeping this work going on. And technology के जरिए भी आप इतना कुछ कर पा रही हैं. And thank you so much for joining us also today.
Thank you so much.
Anything you
Honor.
want to say and you want to share from your side, please feel free.
Just I'm very humbled and honored, definitely humbled and honored, and these are not hollow words, because when you are connected with people like you and others on the community who are doing such great job and who are masters of their craft, you feel really lucky and fortunate. So I feel fortunate that I got printed and published. Unless I would have done that, I would never have got connected with so many people. So I'm really fortunate, and I really want to say thank you to each one of you, everybody who's looking at me and listening to me. In whatever way, whichever way you have added worth to my life, I'm thankful to you. So thank you so much, everybody, whosoever spared time. And I'm just a call or text away in case I can do anything for you. Thank you so
And
much.
I will take some names here, whoever is watching you. Manisha Tiwari ji, धन्यवाद बहुत बहुत, thank you so much. आप भी एक टीचर हैं और अपना खुद का स्कूल चलाती हैं. So एक टीचर की तरफ से आपको है शुचि जी, fabulous. She's watching you too. Shubhra Unyal ji is watching us. Thank you so much जुड़ने के
She's
लिए.
a student of mine and a very dear student.
Oh wow,
Very
that's
dear
awesome.
student.
When teachers are there and students have that different kind of bond with those teachers, this is inevitable.
These girls had killed me with their analysis. So
Oh my God. I
these are very thoughtful girls. So
so beautiful. All right. Devananda Sanal is watching you. Keshwani, Shalini is again saying something. Here we have excellent analogy of facing the mirror or becoming an author. Humility is the greatest progress one can make. Son becoming an author. one makes on becoming an author. I think वो सन हो गया है, कोई बात नहीं. All right, thank you Shalini for still being there, and we're waiting for watching you also one of the days online through our UBI live sessions. Rita auntie is there. Rita ji herself and her family, they're actually from a doctor's family, but her knowledge about any subject is so amazing. I think we all must be aware of this, whoever is there on UBI. Rita auntie's knowledge on Quest for Learning, jo bhi question aaya, auntie has to answer, and she's beautifully answered so many of our queries. I sometimes get stuck somewhere and I'll ask her, is this right, is this wrong? So she's so beautifully helping us at the back end. Though there is no names here that it's a team member, it's a full community which is coming together and helping each other to grow. Rita auntie, thank you so much for being there. Strict teachers are really superb. This is my personal opinion, experience too. That's what Rita auntie is saying to you. So stay strict. Don't become very easygoing. Rajneesh ji, thank you so much for watching us. Sunil Upadhyay ji is watching us. Thank you so much jurne ke liye. Rita ji is there. Shakespeare is unparalleled, and Mahadevi Verma ji is amazing. Her favorites too, I guess. Gauri, thank you so much, Gauri Pendarkar Puranik. Gauri Puranik is watching us from Malaysia. Thank you, Gauri, for watching us. Kakkar sir is again here. Sunil Tahila Ramani, ma'am, it's so beautiful and so apt. I think it's about your poetry, which you said right now, which you recited.
Thank you.
Namrata is there, Shamsundarji is there, Bhardwaj Preeti has joined us. Shalini is saying something again. She has written something about Zindagi. मैं तुम्हें बता दूंगी जब मिल जाएगी जिंदगी, बस इस हसरत में कहीं ना निकल जाए ये जिंदगी. मेरे शौक मेरे रास्ते नहीं है आम जिंदगी, मैं क्यों आम हूँ हो जाऊं तेरी तलाश में, मैं क्यों आम हो जाऊं तेरी तलाश में है जिंदगी. वाह वाह शालिनी,
क्या बात, बहुत ही बढ़िया शेर.
Amazing. Shyam Sundar ji, thank you so much for being there still, and we want you to be there till the end. All of you, whoever is watching us, stay tuned. Don't go away. We have more coming in. I think Shubhra is there. It was really surreal listening to you after so long. That's what Shubhra for you, Shuchi.
Thank you, Shubhra. Miss you too.
And Sunil ji is saying, ma'am, I think these students would really feel very lucky to have you as a teacher. I think he's also one of your students.
Yeah.
Swati Chiller is watching us from Malaysia. Shubhra is, we are really missing you, ma'am. I think Shubhra is really missing you. You go back and talk to her.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, Arya Shukla. Sabhi jude mein hain.
Thank you.
Thank you. Poonam Singh ji has joined us. Thank you so much for everyone. Everyone, stay tuned. We have more to come in. And thank you, Shuchi, for joining in. I will.
Thank you so much.
Further.
The pleasure is all mine. Thank you.
Our pleasure too. So we have, as I said, we have a quotes king here. Books can be written in any genre. It can be a poetry. It can be.